My brother, as we don't settle so. No be every day we quarrel. And my brother from Cameroon. Now I can't spoil our friendship. You understand?
Macoco. Chop this food small.
Brother,
We will not quarrel again.
food not fit separate us.
No, this one will separate us.
We don't know ourselves for 4 years. You understand?
You know what I mean?
Now my brother when he come for Cameroon, now we want to scatter our friendship.
Okay.
You don't understand?
Chop small, sure.
As God we have it now. We don't come back.
Train to that of fufu and 1 pot of vegetable soup. Then bring us back together.
And God get power. But that day we first come out from my house. He pay me. You understand? He pay me say you first come out.
We will chop small.
We dey eat am small. Now I want to eat am again.
Don't chop 6 wrap now. Now leave 5 and don't chop.
Now small Santana now. E not big.
That 6 remain.
You come my house and you see, now it's supposed to be. You come my house, you chop. I come your house, you chop. That is friendship. That's what they call friendship.
Okay. Sure. Me, I don't get friend for food though. I don't get friend for food. If we do friendship outside food, people can like food involved. You understand?
My brother, if I be your enemy, I for not come your side, come apologize.
Yeah, true.
You don't understand? Now me come your house, come apologize.
True, that's what you talk.
So not going to say you don't get food for friend. You are my best friend.
True.
Why you can't put 1 meat now?
When you start, you don't say meat. How many meat you don't swallow? The one you remember from me, I think I want meat that food.
Now, that meat I saw, that one I saw now meat. My brother not be so.
Come on. Babe, I better bring many 5 fufu come my bed and bring many soup.
Wow. This is your wife, na very nice person, you know. If now some people don't say, no allow Mark come here again. The way Mark take this, you can't carry. You don't understand? Now your wife, that be better person, not be you.
My wife say me I go on diet, Macoco. So I don't reduce from 20 fufu now, and only 15 I chop now. I dey on diet. I won't lose weight.
My brother, the way this country they go so, if you think of Nigeria problem, you will reduce. So, leave that one. Baba just dey eat o.
Babe, bring me a bag of water. Macoco won't drink water.
Maybe they bring bag o. I not sabi drink all this one. Na full bag I dey.
Bring the full bag.
I bet if they come me out then Satan and join am abeg.
Babe, now you dey waste time. Bring the remaining 5 and the remaining pot of soup. Utalaku.
I'm telling you, our friendship, our friendship not fit spoil. You don't understand?
If you bring your brother come here again, you spoil you.
The mistake when I make, you want to cut my friendship. Now when I tell you my brother come here.
Don't make that mistake again.